Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to take a look at the update for DCC Project Launcher. So if we click on the Project Launcher, launch it up, you're going to see that you have a couple options here. You're going to have the overrides only, which is going to show the extension files that you added right here only, and whichever project you add, you can see within the subfolders. So that's really useful now. And then the next thing is you can see that these are in bold. That's when we right click, and if we remove it, right click, add to favorites. That's what that does. It makes it bold. And then if we toggle show favorites, we can only see the ones that are favored. All right. Some of the other things that I added was the ability to see After Effects and Blender files in the thumbnail preview. So you could see right here, we have this kind of test right there. And if we right click, we can open with whichever version of After Effects you have that extension added for. So if we open it up in After Effects, we can see what that looks like. All right, so we have it open here. And what you do is to install the After Effects plugin, you go into Edit, go to Preferences, Scripting and Expressions, and make sure you have the first one toggled on. That's going to allow the expression to execute through the network. And make sure that you have warn user when executing file turned off. Otherwise, you're going to get a warning. Click OK. And now we can see in here we have save version and screenshot. Save version will actually increment up. So if I do that and toggle one of these on and off, we can see version 3, and it took the screenshot of our current timeline here. So if I wanted to change the color and now it's blue, if you just wanted to update the screenshot, you're going to click on Save Screenshot Only. And now we have that saved there. And the Open Previews just opens up where we have those files saved. All right, so the same thing for Blender. Right here, we have a Blender file. We added a Blender extension, and we can see that the screenshot is saving for these as well. So if we double click on that, it'll open up Blender where we were at. And right here, we have this object here. And same thing, go to Edit, Preferences, go to Add-ons, find the script, install it. Once you press N, it opens up this plugins toggle here. You'll see Save Up Screenshot, and it's identical to the one in After Effects. So we're in version 1, Save Version and Screenshot. And if we toggle on and off, we can see version 2 is updated. Same thing here, we change the color, save screenshot only, and we could see that that's saved there. And the Open Previews folder will take you to the directory where that's saved. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found this video useful, be sure to hit the like button. All right guys, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys on the next video.